this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we are here for an unboxing. I have got my purple envelope from brcnailtipsxpieces.com. There is a new product drop for Valentine's. There's the other envelope. We have got our product sheet with the list of 13 items. So there's a lot of things up on the Valentine's list this year. She's got Valentine, anti-Valentine, so there's a wide variety of things to pick from for nail art. I can't wait. I've never done an anti-Valentine nail set before, so I'm going to this year. It'll be my first. Okay, let's get into this. We have got number one. I'm going to plug my lamp in for this. Shut the light off. These are UV color changing flowers. Must be kept under constant UV light for the colors to change. I can't get them out. So you have the lamp plugged in. Let me just put these in here. We have to shut this light off as well, just so that you can get a full experience of these flowers. I wanna, whoopsie, please bear with me. Oh, I don't know if you can, where's my little flashlight? That's what I need. That's not it. Definitely not it. That's not it. I don't know where it's at. But these are... Let's turn the lights back on. UV color changing flowers, and they are oh so pretty. They are so tiny, so delicate looking, and there are some metal pieces in with. That is our first item here. Hello, Batman. Okay, there's number one. Number two. Oh god, number two is multiples. Holy cow, Brandy. Oh, number one. It's a 30-piece. Wait a minute. Let's go back to the color changing flowers. It's a mixed set for $1.29. I'm terribly sorry, I'm just all over the place. Number two, 3mm flowers, 30 pieces for 39 cents. So you get, wow. And these are oh so tiny. Oh my god. Look at the colored ones up here so you can see. These are oh so pretty. Oh, so pretty. 39 cents for 30 of them. I mean, how can you beat that? As Sassy would say what? Sassy. Say what? Number three. This is asymmetrical kawaii bows. So, oh, these are so cute. I love these kind of bows. These are the purple and kind of like a coral peachy color, kind of orange, I don't know. But these are, I love these bows. These are so pretty. They are 2 for 39 cents. The 30-piece flower set was also 39 cents. These are 10 mm by 13.5 mm. 13.5. I wouldn't think so. They are so tiny. Oh, so tiny. I don't know how much space we got here, but... Okay. Number four. Oh, Jelly Cat Eye Heart. 5 for $1.19. These are the purple And there are a variety of colors available. I wish I had the money to order them all because, God, these are so pretty. Here is the backs. Here is the front. Hopefully you can see. Oh, these are so pretty. I love these, Brandy. Love, love, love. And hopefully you guys are all supporting brcnailstipsxpieces.com for your nail art needs. She had a great, great Christmas sale. Great Christmas sale. Number 5, teddy bear charms, 2 for 89 cents. 10 ml by 15. More colors are available than this one here that I can't get out. Okay, oh, here we go. Here we go. Let me turn these over for you. These are probably like the ivory color, off-white. These are so cute. But she's got lots of colors available. Lots of colors. So we put those to good use. Number 6. Got, these are dark roses. 2 for 90, 2 for, where is it? 2 for. It's a 2-fer. They are 2 for, they are gilded dark roses, anti-Valentine's Day. 2 for 89 cents, 12 mm, and more colors are available. This is like, oh my God. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is dark purple, and these are, I don't know if it's red, maroon, deep red. But they are pretty, pretty, pretty. You guys gotta go check out her website. It's just support small business because that's where they all start. Everybody starts out small, and with the support of the public, the people on YouTube, Instagram, that's how they get to go somewhere and do something and become an actual real company. But it all starts right here with me and you. So I want you to go to Brandy's website, brcnailstipsxpieces.com. brcnail.com. I want you to go show her some love. Go make a purchase. Use my 10% off code SHEREE-BABY10. SHEREE baby 10. Save yourself 10% off. These are number 7. Frosted Roses Anti-Valentine's Day Charms. I can't talk. 2 for 89 cents, 15 mm. And she's got great prices. These prices are so affordable. And then with 10% off, I mean, it's a steal. God, look at these. These are like kawaii charm size. Look how pretty those are. I can't imagine they're for Anti-Valentine's Day though, Brady. I mean, they are so pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. Okay, we're going to put those up here. I'm loving this stuff. I don't care if it's for Anti-Valentine's or not. I like it. Okay, number 8 on our list. I don't get what these are. Dripping Heart Anti-Valentine's Charms. Okay, because on her video, I couldn't see. What are those? What are they? Show me closer up. I couldn't see. Oh, these are so cool. They got the black and the pink, and they are the dripping broken hearts, it looks like. Or maybe they're not broken, but they're dripping. Dripping Heart Anti-Valentine's Charm, 2 for 99 cents, 17 mm by 11. I'm going to be using these puppies. I will. I'll put them all back in one pouch. All in one pouch. Okay, number... Oh, shoot. What number were we just on? Okay, I got confused. I'm sorry. I got really confused. That was number 9. This is number 9. Oh my God, these are so pretty and so... Gosh. Victorian purple flowers, gold heart charms, 2 for 99 cents. They are curved on the back. I can feel that myself. So they can sit on the nail. That's my longest nail. No, that's not true. My thumbnail is. Oh my god, those are so pretty. I gotta leave those out. Oh. They're 10 ml. Okay, number 10. Number 10. Iridescent roses, 4 for 89 cents. These are so tiny. So tiny. Where's my other... These are so little. But these are iridescent roses. They are oh so pretty. Turn them all over. I don't know if you can see, but they are really, really tiny. And oh so pretty. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. I don't know where we're at, so I'll put those over there. Love these Victorian hearts. I really like those a lot. Number 11 are the Pearl Roses, 4 for 69 cents. They're 8 mm. The iridescents are 4 for 89 cents. And these are the pearls. The Pearl Roses. Well, you could butt these up with the iridescent ones. Oh, they are pretty. Oh. So here we go. Try something black down. Here's the back of my phone, if that helps you all. They are very pretty though, Brandy. I'm loving them. Back of my cigarette case is black. Love, love, love. So let me put these babies away. Next on our list is Pearl. Not Pearl. I'm lying. No, I'm not. It is Pearl. Which number are we at? 12. Pearl 5-petal cup flowers, 4 for 69 cents, 5 mm. Or 8, wait a minute. 8 mm, not 5. I don't know what's wrong with my talking today. I can't get my words straight. Oh, come out, come out. Come out. Okay, that one's upset out. Whoops, whoops, whoops. There we go. They're all right set now. These are Pearl 5-petal cut flowers, 4 for 69 cents. See how cheap these are? I hate to call them cheap. The price is cheap. I mean, everything on her website is so affordable. She has got glitters and foils. She has got the Codie charm boxes. I mean, I couldn't tell you in her video how many different ones she showed, like, God, like 6 different charm boxes at least. Could have been more. I'm guessing because there was quite a few. And they range about $15, $16 for the Codie charm boxes, which they're in like the Hello Kitty shaped head, I think, or I forgot what. Maybe it was Mickey. I can't remember, but she's got a variety of stuff, and so much stuff is in it. Whoops. Whoopsie. Oh, look at these. They're so pretty. Iridescent 5-petal flowers, 4 for 79 cents. 8 mm. There's my cigarette. Oh, I gotta go with the black. Look how pretty those are. Thinking those are so cute. So here is our unboxing from brcnailstipsexpieces.com. Hope you head over to her website. Oh my god, where I put this one's for these at? Whoopsie. Whoopsie. What did I do with it? Oh shoot. Whoopsie. Yeah, here's another baggie. Whoopsie. I'm so loving these Victoria what they call Victorian purple golden heart charms. Look how the backs are curved. And the front is just this beautiful purple flower that looks so delicate, framed in gold. Head over to Brandy's website. Please go show her some support, some love. And visit her on Instagram, BRC Nails. And she also has the BRC Nails Tip 6 pieces. It is the one where the hearts have wings. Go check her out. Go show her some love. Subscribe to her YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to mine as well. Click on the notification bell. Let's see, what else can I tell you? Whoa, somebody's hacking up along. I'm sorry, God forgive me. God, that threw me off. You can always count on my brother for that one. Well, we're gonna end this because my mind just went blank. Head it over to Brandy's to go show her some love. Make a purchase, use my code. Save 10% off on your bill. Cherie Baby 10, I will put it across the bottom of the screen. It's also as well in the description box with all my other discount codes. Whew. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.